This background is fake. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change the background of your video from this one right here to this one you are seeing right now. If you want to create content on YouTube or on social media of your choice, but you don't like your background and you want to change your background to an image of your choice, no problem. I will show you how to do that in this video. You don't have to be scared of your gadget. Even if you don't have a laptop, it will still work. You can use your laptop, you can use your phone. Let's get started. The first thing you will need is a tripod stand. The reason is because we don't want a shaky video. Secondly, you need good light facing you so that this AI that will separate our background from our video will identify ourselves and the background very well. Also, I will need you to be a little far from your background. For example, if you look at me right now, I'm far from my background. After meeting all the requirements, let me now show you how to get good pictures that you can use as your background. All you want to do is to go to leonardo.ai and then sign up an account with them. You can use your phone. If you are using phone, you are going to download the application. But if you are using a web version, I would like you to use your laptop. Me, I'm going to use my laptop. The next thing you want to do is to come over to leonardo.ai and create an account with them. When you are done creating an account with them, you log into your account. When you log into your account, click on image creation. Come down here and click the image size to be 16 by 9. This is exact YouTube size of video. You will come over here and give the AI a prompt that AI will use to generate an image for you. This is my own prompt. I said, "He generate a modern YouTube studio background with late lighting and vibrant colors with a large digital screen." That is why you see a large digital screen on my background. But do well to choose the size of the image to be 16 by 9. I'm going to leave this prompt on the comment section so that you can use this prompt to generate your own image. You can also add little things to your own prompt to make your own image to be more beautiful than my own. Another website that you can use to get a good picture for your background image is freepik.com. When you are in freepik.com, come over to the search box and search on study room. Then Freepik will generate nice images for you. So anyone you like, go ahead and click on download. If you go over to similar image, you will see something more beautiful than the ones you like. Let's click on discover similar. All right, I clicked on discover similar and this way I brought more similar pictures. So if you like anyone here, just go ahead and click on download. As for me, I already have pictures that I generated with this AI and I have left the prompt on the description of this video. So after generating your image, come over here and click on download. If you see here, they will say download image. So you're going to be downloading this image for free. So when you get to Canva, click on this plus button and this page will come up. Choose on YouTube thumbnail. When you choose on YouTube thumbnail, then you will have this interface here that will suggest a template for you. Go ahead and click on upload, then upload this picture that we want to use, then resize it. Hold it and drag to fit in here. Take this side up and take this side up. Make sure you take your time to do it well. When you are done, click on this arrow button and click on download. When you click on download, this picture will be in your gallery. Then let's go over to Capcut to use this picture to change our background. We are in Capcut now, so hit on the plus button, come over to photos. Want to bring in the picture that you want to use as your background. Remember to use the picture that you enlarge the size using Canva. So this is my own. I'll bring my own in. I'll click on add. Alright, after adding your picture, move it forward a little and then delete this end screen. Take it out. Touch the picture again. Increase the length of this picture to meet the same length with your video. Touch it and increase it. The next thing you want to do is to blur this background a little so that it will blend with your video. Click on blur effect, go to video effect, come over here and type blur. Choose this first one here. Let the blur effect be just 8%. The next thing you want to do is to click on overlay. You want to bring in the video that you want to change the background. Convert to videos, click on add. What you want to do here is to click on remove background. Look at my own here, remove BG. Touch this remove BG and then click on auto removal. It's applying feature, so you allow it to load up to 100%. When it is done, this circle will turn to green. Allow it to load. Don't force it, just allow it to load. So click on this tick button here. Now let us resize our picture because let's resize our video because it's looking very small. Yeah, resize it. Resize it, let it be big a little. Normally I'm supposed to keep it here, but to block this YouTube icon, I want to shift it here a little. All right, take it up, bring it down. Just play along with your own until it gives you what you want. I'll fix my own here. I want to increase the size a little. Alright, this is how I want my own to be. So do well to make your own what you want it to be, but let it be nice. If you have any question to ask me in the comment section. You can see I make sure that the light that is coming from this picture blend with the light that is on my skin. So make sure you use that prompt I drop on the video description to tell this AI to give you a nice picture, so that this AI will generate something similar to my own. Let's play it and see what we have. This background is fake. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change the background of your video from this one right here to this one you are seeing right now. When you are done, click on export. Alright, so when your video is exporting, leave the screen on touch until it finishes counting.